Now let us discuss the 79th question. Identify the compound that will react with Hinsberg reagent to give a solid which dissolves in alkali. That means sodium hydroxide. Now let us try to understand what you meant by Hinsberg reagent. Hinsberg's reagent. Its chemical formula is C6H5SO2Cl is called the Hinsberg reagent. Its name is benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is called Hinsberg reagent. We previously known that Hinsberg reagent is used to distinguish primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. By knowing this concept, you can easily eliminate option 2. Why? Because it's a nitro group. By using of Hinsberg reagent, you can easily distinguish primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Okay. When Hinsberg reagent react with the primary amines to form sulfonamide as a product, which is soluble in alkali. That means sodium hydroxide. Formed sulfonamide which is soluble in alkali. Okay. When Hinsberg reagent react with secondary amines to form sulfonamide product which is not dissolved in sodium hydroxide. Hinsberg reagent react with secondary amines to form the sulfonamide, but this will not dissolve in sodium hydroxide, that is alkali. When tertiary amines react with the Hinsberg reagent, there is no reaction takes place. Why? Because due to absence of hydrogens. Due to absence of hydrogens, there is no reaction takes place between Hinsberg reagent and tertiary amines. Now let us verify the each option. Now let us categorize the options in primary, secondary, tertiary amines. First option it is tertiary amine. Second, third option it is secondary amine. This is primary amine. We clearly discuss about that Hinsberg reagent does not react with the amines. Option A is eliminated. The question they clearly indicate that to give a solid which dissolves in alkali, the only primary amine which is dissolved in alkali. Secondary amine does not dissolve in alkali. That's why option 3 is also eliminated. So remaining option A is the correct answer. Why? Because primary amines which forms a sulfonamide which is soluble in alkali. That means sodium hydroxide. 4 is our correct answer.